You have reviewed the initial business and technical requirements and have some concerns, especially around the topic of offsite immutable copy of all backups. Select the true statements to help identify the workloads that are at risk of not meeting that requirement. Okay, let's take a look here. You cannot enable immutability on a hardened repository in a DMC, and therefore always on clusters at risk. I don't think that's true. Why should it be? Oracle RAC clusters will need to be backed up using the RMAN plugin. Now that could be true. Even if the repository is for immutability, these types of backups are unsupported. Yes, that could potentially be an issue. NAS cluster backup files cannot be immutable, though they can be stored on a repository for which immutability has been enabled. Also true, that's a risk. When leveraging the HANA plugin to do sub-HANA, the repository immutability does not apply to the type of backup. That's also correct. Virtual machines that are susceptible to stun will be backed up using backup from storage snapshots, which is incompatible with immutability. So that's not true. So I'm going to go with options 2, 3, and 4.